Wait, is that you? Like, is this really you? Oh my God, I am so glad you're here. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the Credit Architect program. I'm so glad to have you inside. Look, hopefully you know who I am by now, but if you don't, my name is Kendra Lewis. I go by the Boss Architect, and I am your business credit coach for the next 90 days. I am so excited that you've decided to join me on your business credit building journey. Now look, I know you may have a lot of questions about the Credit Architect program and how I'm actually going to help you build business credit. So just hang tight. You are going to be set up for success on your business credit building journey. So let's first talk about delivery. The Credit Architect program is a group training format, meaning that you are building business credit alongside a group of your peers that you will get to meet inside of the Credit Architect Insiders group. Don't worry, we'll talk about the group a little later. I reiterate the fact that this is a group training program because while I love every single one of my clients, I can't give everyone personalized attention. It's okay because there are so many different mediums for you to get all of your questions answered and to get the support you need to build your business credit. My team is amazing, so you can always reach out and get your questions answered on the Boss Architect Facebook Messenger. You can also email us at hello@thebossarchitect.com and my team will get you squared away. You can also get the support that you need inside of our Credit Architect Insiders Facebook group. Guys, this group is amazing. Like I said, you're alongside your peers that are building business credit with you, some people that have already been through the program that are there to give you support, to give you advice, and to answer any questions that you have. My team also monitors the chat as well as myself to make sure that we are answering your questions. So normally if you have a question, honestly guys, someone else has probably already asked it before. So I always ask that you look through and search through the Facebook group first. If you don't find the question, feel free to post it there and we'll get your questions answered. So welcome to the Credit Architect Insiders Facebook group walkthrough. Really quickly, I want to get you acclimated to the group so that you understand everything that's available to you. So first and foremost, in the group discussion tab, this is where you will see all of the announcements. As you see me grooming myself there, doing my Facebook Live Q&As that I do every week in the group. Also, this is where you will post your questions. This is where you will see exclusive content posted. If there is something that you are interested in, and if you have a question, I want to encourage you to go down here to search this group and go ahead and type in search. So if you're interested in learning about Paydex, go ahead and type in Paydex and it will pull up any posts that have something about Paydex there, and you can look at the comments and see what is going on with the Paydex score, and you can look at the answers and the discussion surrounding that. If you were interested in something else, let's say a vendor that you're interested in, Quill is the example I'm using, you can go in and see all of the posts that have been made about that vendor. So utilize this as your hub for information. I also want to draw your attention to units. There are several units within the group that will mimic some of the information in your course portal. So there will be information about getting started, about payments and housekeeping, building business credibility, tools and technology. So this is how I organize the links and the different tools that I give you in the course to help you stay organized and to help you know where to find everything within the Facebook group. Hopefully this was helpful. Okay guys, so another thing that's really cool in this program that helps jumpstart your business credit building process is that I report a $2,000 trade line to your business credit report. Now, you'll learn a little bit more about what trade lines are as we go along in the process. But basically what I am doing is giving you credit for utilizing a service that I offer. So if you are already making payments, or even if you've paid in full, I still give you credit for purchasing a service with me, and I report that to your business credit report. You'll learn as we go along in the program that it's super important that we hoard credit in the beginning, so that it's a lot easier for you to get the credit that you need as we move along to a lot of the more difficult credit lines to get approved for. So we're getting as much credit as we can in the front end, and this $2,000 trade line reporting to your business credit is one of the first things that helps jumpstart your business credit building process. Your monthly payments. So guys, look, if you are on a payment plan, your monthly payments are auto drafted out of your account on the day in which you initially signed up. Meaning if you signed up for the program on the 1st, your payments will be auto drafted on the 1st of every month. If you need to update your information, you will have access to a portal where you can update your payment information. Please make sure that you try to update your information before your payment is due, because while we do report positive payments to the business credit bureaus, we also report negative payments too. So I would hate to have to undo the progress that you are making in your business credit building process by having to report a baddie to your credit. So just make sure that you communicate with us. If you need to update your payment method, go ahead and do that before your payment date is due. You do have the option to change your payment one time throughout the course. So we will allow you to change your payment date if your initial payment date is not working out for you, but we only are able to do that one time. As you guys can imagine, it's a lot to manage if multiple people are trying to change their payment information every month. So we do give you the courtesy of allowing you to change your payment information one time during the course of the program. A little bit about the course portal. If you're looking at this video, that means you're already logged into Teachable. So you probably figured out by now that we use Teachable as our course portal. Guys, you will be given the relevant information for your particular class through this portal. So if you have a live module, within 24 hours after your live module is over, the replay, the recap, and your homework will be available to you in your Teachable portal. Okay? You also have the option to go back to any of the previous modules and look at your recap, your replays, and any homework that went along with the previous modules. So this is a place for us to store all of the course information. The one caveat I will give you is to make sure when you are going back to all of the replays and things of that nature, you are looking at the replays that are relevant for your cohort. Meaning if you started in January, you don't want to look at the replays or the recap from the February class or even the December class, because it won't make sense to you. Okay, so just realize every class is a bit different. You need to stick with the content for your class. So make sure when you go into the live replays, when you go into the recaps, you make sure to select the month and year in which you started the program. That will be the content relevant to your class.